तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषाम् अपि चित्ततन्वो. So whatever was there, the buddhi and the bhava and the seva of Krishna Prayasi Tulasi Devi has entered into the nostrils of Kumaras. And that's how Sankshobham Aksharajusham Apichitta Tanvo has happened to the Kumaras. Kumaras did not sit there and speculate in their mind. The aroma, the fragrance of Tulsi Devi. With the fragrance, divine fragrance of the Lord, lotus feet of the Lord, both of them entered into the nostrils of Kumaras. The same thing for us. When we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Bhagavan, the fragrance of Bhagavan, Hare Krishna Mahamantra enters into us. Along with that is the bhava given by Sadhu Guru. And seeing this Nama Seva as the Seva given by Sadhu Guru. And this Seva done in an understanding, Buddhi, that is given by Sadhu Guru, Shri Guru. This is Antargata Svavivarena Chakara Tesham for us. And that's how Namaruchi, Sanshobham Akshara Jusham Apichitta Tanvo happens to us. That's japa. Cheto Darpanamarchanam Bhavamaha Davagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Here we have three of them. The Buddhi of the Gaura Priyajana, the Vani, the intelligence, the Buddhi, the Vani of Gaura Priyajana, and the Bhava of Gaura Priyajana. What Bhava the Gaura Priyajana has? The Bhava Gauraka Mahaprabhu gave in Sri Sikshashtakam. The Bhava of Gaura Priyajana. And the Seva. This is the Seva given to us by Gaura Priyajana. Primarily, the very important Anga. The first and foremost Seva, Nama Seva. All these three things are here. Namna Makari Bahudang Nija Sarva Shaktis Tatrarpitani Amitam Smaranena Kalaham Ye Tatrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Dhurtaiva Mitrishamiha Janina Nuragaha. This is the mood. Oh, I don't have attachment. Holy name, but please, very kindly give me the attachment to you. Attachment comes because that's why we heard all the morning prayers. So the attachment can come for the Nama. We have heard the Tattva. And now we are hearing this is what our mood should be, our prayer should be. And that's why, that's how the Nama bhajan becomes Niraparadha. That's the potency of the morning praise. Trinadapi sunichena taroreva sahishnuna amani namanadena kirtaniya sada harim nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam va jagadisha kamayim mama janmani janmani ishwari bhavatad bhaktiya haitukitvai. This, the Buddhi, the Bhava, and the Seva given by Gaura Priyajana naturally brings us to this place. Oh, I want nothing else, just this. Your loving service. Hey Bhagavan, in the Nama, loving service to you, Krishna. Then, Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitamam Vishame Bhavambudam Kripayam Tava Pada Pankaja Stita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. We are picked up from the poisonous ocean of modes and are placed as saffron dust particles at the Nanda Tanuja, lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Then Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadaruddhaya Giram Pulakair Nichitair Vapukada Tava Nama Grihanein Bhavishyati. The bhava of Shri Guru becomes the bhava of Sishya. Yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravashyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe. Can't bear the separation anymore. Aslishya padaratam pinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karotu vam yada tadha vidadhata ulampato matprananathas sayevana paraha. The prananada of Sadhguru becomes the prananada of Sishya. With that bhava, with that buddhi, and in that seva. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's Sakira. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Shastakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Samkirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Paye Premadhana. Of all the angas of Bhakti, Nama Sankirtana is the best because it is this Niraparadha Nama. Nama can become Niraparada when there is Krishna Katha, which is taking us to this mood, to cause, to do the Niraparada Bhajan. Then Krishna Prema comes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।